Okay, video number 2 of the day. Okay, I'm outside. It's another beautiful day. It is snowing. Yep. It's awesome, but I like it. But the good thing about living on a farm, you have animals. Okay, you have a bunch of animals. Okay, look at this. Say hello. Say hi, kitty. Hi. Oh, here's another one. Oh my, look at this one. Hi, kitty. Oh my, there's another kitty. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Hi, kitty. What are you doing? Here's another one. Here's another one. What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi, kitties. Yep, it's a struggle, but I'm making it. It's really rough without you, but I ain't saying I just said it. Oh man. Anyway, oh, there's another kitty. All right, kids. Yeah, I have all kind of animals. We got goats, birds, cats, and cows. That's a lot. And we got snow. Oh, actually, I can take you over to see the cows. They're actually out right now. Yeah, give me a second. And the cats are following me. Yep, they're following. Come on, kitties. Yeah, the weather's fantastic here right now. It's really blowy. It's awesome. What are you guys doing? Okay. See some cows. If you can see them, I'm trying to. Here's some cows. Moo. Moo. See the cow? Just looking at me. Birds are chirping, which is a great thing. Let's go see the goats. Well, the cats are excited. Cats are really excited. Oh, shoot. I know I'm a little dramatic, but it works. Hold on. My brother's got a heater in here. What the heck? I really don't feel anything in this thing. I don't feel the difference at all. But it's a struggle. Oh, hello, goat. See the goats. What are you doing? Say hi. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? What are you doing? Yeah. You see the goat? We're best friends. Yeah. Say hello, babies. Hi. What you doing? See the baby goat? Hi. Yep. I know it's a little dark in here. Is the light come on or not? Hey, we got a light. Okay. She's still preggo. No baby yet. Why aren't you having that baby, huh? Why aren't you having that baby? Okay. All right. It's a struggle. Yep. What you on, Billy? You gonna get your head back out of there? You get some big horns. All right. I love y'all. See you soon. Talk to you later.